The Kings of the Forest. Jadov Paying or Mola, the man who planted a forest, describes his journey of turning a desert green in Assam. He plans to plant trees until his last breath. His story has already inspired not only millions but also a trilingual film. Crazy. Jairam Meena has taken his passion of planting saplings from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. Both Jadhav and Jairam are true environmental warriors, fighting for the earth and changing the climate one tree at a time. Mola's Forest. 65-year-old Jadhav Paying from Assam was honored with the title of the Forest Man in Delhi by the Government of India on World Earth Day in 2010. He was honored for turning a barren land of over 1,360 acres into a lush green forest in about 30 years, all by himself. He started planting in 1979 and has been doing that even today. The Molai forest now attracts 80% of the world's migratory birds. The locals call it Molai as a tribute to Jadov. He says, as a child, I was fair and had pink cheeks just like the winter radish. So many nickname was Mola, meaning radish in the local language. People started calling the forest Mula or Habi, Mula's forest. Jadhav, however, refuses to take credit. The birds, cows, deer, wind, water, and elephants have helped me, he says. People want to know my story. I tell them I just plant trees and I had like all of you to do so. Trees are the lifeline of the forest. They balance our ecosystem. If there is no life left, what is the use of all advancements we have made? Discussing why he started planting trees, Jadhav adds this place is called Mohagadkutti. Rapid erosion happened when the Brahmaputra flooded annually years back, and Mohagadkutti turned into a desert for kilometers. I decided to have a forest here, so I built a small boat and started planting saplings. I came back every day to see their progress. My boat is as old as my forest. I still carry saplings in it every day. As a child, met Jagabesh Barua, an agricultural scientist who used to give him sapling of betel leaves and 25 paise. Barua took his hand one day and said, plant trees and they will take care of all of us. So when Jadhav saw his land turning into a desert, he decided to take responsibility. It will be a beautiful thing if a child is taught to plant a sapling and to take care of it. Had this been done 30 years back, would global warming and climate change have dared to touch us? Jadhav says. Jadhav has traveled across the country and the world to give talks and attend conferences on climate change and environmental issues. But wherever he goes, his heart beats for his home. No matter where I go, I long to come back to my forest, he says. Everything abroad is beautiful, speak and span, but there is no place like my forest. People spend money to see tigers, rhinos, and elephants. I get to see them in their home for free. A sapling a day. Jairam Meena of Basund, Madhya Pradesh, remembers accompanying his grandfather as a 12-year-old to go plant saplings around their village. Around 40 years on, Jairam, considered crazy, has made it his life's mission. He planted 11 saplings in his grandfather's memory when he died. This gave him bigger goals, that is, planting 1000 saplings, then 31,000 more, and then 1 million saplings. My grandfather would often say that planting a sapling is as pioneer's task as performing a yagna. Years later, I heard a holy man in Rishikesh repeat the same words, said Jairam. The road that leads to his village from the highway is flanked by neem and banyan trees. Jairam has planted trees as saplings alongside canals in Basund on government land, in police station compounds, dispensaries, schools, and temple premises. His plantation work now even crosses state boundaries and has reached Rajasthan and Uttarakhand as well. Jairam Jairam's work is also self-funded. He has his own nursery and collects empty packets of fertilizers, weedicides, and pesticides from the farmers, who readily hand them over. Volunteers now look after his saplings and lend him a hand. Receiving the prestigious Amrita Devi Bishnoi Award in 2006 for working in the environmental sector changed the way everyone looked at him. Some derive happiness from drinking alcohol, eating fancy food, or from accumulated wealth. I get happiness from seeing saplings planted by me growing into trees, he says. So, what is next? I want to spend the rest of my life teaching people, especially kids, about trees, birds, and animals and their importance in our lives. Cropping patterns have changed over the years and subsoil water has depleted. Trees will play a crucial role if agriculture is to be sustained, he says. About 20 years ago, the State Forest Department gave him a bicycle, seeds, and saplings for his journey. Neem is the ideal tree to plant in these areas. Given the shortage of water and slightly rocky soil, said Jairam. He is an authority on the tree species found in the area and how to take care of them. Glossary: Barren, infertile. Tribute, mark of respect. Ecosystem, environment. Advancement, progress. Abroad, foreign countries. POS, sacred. Flanked, bordered. Premises, property. Derive, get. Accumulated, gathered. Deplete, reduce. Ideal, perfect.